guys, today I'm going to spend a minute showing you this really awesome tripod. So I really like it because it's super stable. Also because it comes with this little carrying case, you can just go ahead and put it inside and then take it with you anywhere you go. So I personally like this because I'm going to take this back and forth with me to the gym, and it has this little drawstring bag so you can just go ahead and hang it off of something or just stick it in your gym bag. So really easy to use. I'm just going to go ahead and show you a little bit more about why I really like this one so much. So first, see how the base is like super pulled in? I just like this because it's easy to make sure you don't break it. But to open, you just go ahead and twist this, and then you can go ahead and just pull this up, and it's going to start to expand out. All right. So this is really nice for the base. Once you pull it all the way down, it does collapse like this, so it really just depends on how far out and how stable you need it for how heavy of whatever thing you're putting on top. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten that. This tripod's also super tall, so that's another thing I really like about it. It's really easily adjustable. I'm just going to go ahead and open all of these so you can see. So I just flipped open these things, and you can go ahead and pull this out, and I can start opening it up. And as you can see, it's super tall. I'm gonna actually step back so you can see. So if I put this on the ground, it's like over my head. So if you need to shoot down at something, this tripod's really great to have it for that. Also, if you're really tall or you need to shoot really high up, angle down, this is a great tripod. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you a little bit of the mechanics on the top here. So this actually screws off. And that makes it really nice because you can put it on this way, and then also there's a screw here, so you could put it on this way as well. And then also you could put a ring light on this. There's just a ton of different options. I'm going to go ahead and show you this option that I would use the most here. So as you can see, it swivels, which is definitely something I like. The base opens quite a bit, so I have one of the larger phones here, one of the larger iPhones. I'm just going to push it up and then lock it in, and then show you that it's not going to move around. Okay, so I really like the stability of this one. And then also another thing I really like is that right here there's this base, so if I loosen this, I can take it forward and backwards, which just gives me even more flexibility with this tripod. So overall, like, I really like it. It's super compactable, easy to travel with, and goes really tall. Has a lot of different options for the base, and then a lot of different options for the mount. So yeah, it's just a really great tripod, and I wanted to spend a minute showing it to you because it's so sturdy and I just really like it, so I wanted to recommend it. So overall, great tripod. Hopefully you found this video helpful, me showing it to you in person, and I appreciate you watching.